Hi guys and welcome to my channel. It's Vesna here. If you're brand new, welcome, and if you're just returning, thanks for stopping by. For today's video, I am participating in a collab. It is hosted by Domestic Diva 76. If you have not checked out her channel, please make sure you check it out. She's one creative lady. I will be linking her description below. We are doing this collab together with all these fine ladies here that you can see. Please be sure to check out the playlist because they are very, very creative and I can't wait to see what they've come up with. For my video, I am recreating I'm making a napkin holder. Doing this by using two old signs that I had created for my tiered trays. I had made these signs out of scrap, pieces of wood, and other craft projects. So I'm giving them another life. So as you can see, this one was just very simple. It was just a happy little wood sign. So I'm going to be painting it white using my Valspar interior paint because again, that's what I had left. This can seems to be lasting me forever. What I learned after painting this is that I should have sanded down the letters because the black kept on seeping through. So what I wound up doing is actually using some black paint. I was using my Rust-Oleum charcoal chalked paint, and I just painted over it in black, and then I went over the black in white again just to cover the letters because they were just like I think I put about 3 coats and it was just still seeping through. But this other sign is, it was made from one of those Dollar Tree signs, and I had cut it in half and I had put Easter on it. So again, I painted that one in black as well just to try and get rid of the letters, and then I'm painting over both of them in the white. So once these dried, I went ahead. I was actually going to create 2 other signs, but then I changed my mind. So I went ahead and I cut the bigger one because I decided I was going to make a napkin holder, so I needed strips. And I'm just using an X-Acto knife because um, this is just kind of that cardboard sign type of thing from the Dollar Tree. Once I cut the long strips, then I went and I cut short strips for the side of the napkin holder. This I used my saw. I probably didn't need this saw, but it's new, so I wanted to try it. I actually saw Blondie next door have this miter saw thing with the saw, so I thought it was really neat and I ordered it for myself. So thanks, Yelena. Once they were all cut, I sanded them down because I wanted to paint over them, and some of the stick-on like artwork on the back of the sign was coming through, so I wanted to paint that and make sure that everything got off that was loose. so that when I painted it wouldn't be coming off. So I had actually ordered some chalked paint from Rust-Oleum, so it did come in. So I spray painted these little pieces in the chalked Rust-Oleum chalked linen white, and I really like the way they came out. Now I did have to do 2 coats of spray paint, mostly because I was trying not to cake on a lot the first time. So, but it did cover really well. Then I went ahead and I hot glued the little pieces together. Now I wound up buying a new hot glue gun. I got this guy. It's the Arrow from Home Depot. So if anyone's tried it and really liked it or not liked it, please let me know what you think of it. My first impressions were it was pretty good. So I was kind of making this up as I go. I had one plan and then I didn't want to do that plan. I just kept on changing my mind with this project. I'm not sure why. So what I did was I decided that I wanted the front to be different from the back. So you'll kind of see once it's done what it came out to be like. But I took the longer strips and I put those at the back. And then I took the one single strip that was a little bit thicker than the other ones and I put that at the front. And then as you can see, I had to redo it because I put it on the wrong side. I wanted the side that I chalk painted to be on the outside. So after all of this dried, I went ahead and I distressed my little napkin holder with my charcoal Rust-Oleum chalked paint. When I'm distressing, this is really your taste, however you want it. Sometimes I do it in all sorts of directions and just random. This time I decided to just go one way just to see how the difference was. And I really like the way that turned out. I didn't add a lot, and then there was spots where I added a bit more than I wanted to, so I went back and I put some of the white back on. I sprayed it on my brush. So here is the finished piece. I really like the way it turned out. It looks very rustic in my opinion. It's not perfect, which is what I was going for. I love the way it turned out. Here it is with some napkins from the front, from the back. I just love it. So if you liked what you saw, please hit that like button. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get to see more videos. Make sure you check out the playlist so you can see what all these awesome ladies came up with. And make sure you watch some of these videos that I'm posting at the end. Thanks and have an excellent day and stay safe.